Updating your credit card on Typeform is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and your subscriptions continue without interruption. Step 1. Log into your Typeform account. Visit the Typeform website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the credit card you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Billing or Payment section, which is typically found in the account menu or dashboard. Step 3. Access Payment Methods. In the Billing settings, find the option for Payment Methods. This section will display your current credit card information and any other payment options you have set up. Step 4. Update your credit card information. Select the option to edit or update your credit card details. Enter your new credit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Typeform. Regularly check your billing settings to ensure everything remains current.